A mutation is a natural development that changes the DNA structure, with it being very common. When the cell copies its DNA, a typo occurs every 100,000 or so nucleotides before dividing, with there being 120,000 typos each time one of the cells divide. The most common change is that the base is replaced for another, and occasionally a base is removed or an additional base is added, with the cell being able to overhaul the majority of these changes. When DNA change remains not repaired in a cell, this will result in the cell becoming an egg or a sperm, with it being passed down to offspring. Mutations are caused when the cell makes an error when it copies its gene. Also, radiation and chemicals can damage genes. Mutation is caused due to environmental influences like smoking, sunlight, and radiation. Due to mutation, we will have some new variations that are not existent in our parents. Genes are made out of DNA, and genes have chemical codes which are 4 different letters. Every time one of the cells divide, it duplicates about 600,000 million letters of DNA code. Mistakes are occasionally made without resulting in mutation. However, most of the mistakes are adjusted almost instantly, and a few mistakes manage not to be noticed and escape. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick published their model of the double helix structure of DNA. Before this, biologists originally guessed that most duplication errors were caused by what are called chromatic shifts. Both the parent and pyramidal bases in DNA occur in different chemical forms, in which the protons live in different positions in the molecule. Usually a baby gets 46 chromosomes, having 23 from their mother and 23 from their father. However, people with Down syndrome have a total of 47 chromosomes, either an extra chromosome from their mother or father. This extra genetic material causes a person to have affected physical features and development delay. Harmful mutations have severe consequences on the health of the organisms. Sickle cell anemia is an example of natural harmful mutation existing in human beings. Also, when cells mutate in a way that causes them to grow too fast, or if they lose their ability to stop growing once they have too crowded, cancer can develop and can result in death. There are also mutations that are good for you and can give you better chance of survival. Some examples of this is CCR5 gene that can make you virtually immune to HIV. There's also a class of cancer drugs that is 100% effective, but only in a variety of individuals that have certain mutation.